Welcome back, guys. We're back for another day. My name is Dr. Hamza, and with me is
Mutee.
And today with Mutee, we're going to just talk about his experiences with MedConnect so far, and we're going to dive deeper into his experience as well as how he achieved one of the highest scores in the entrance exam and how we helped him. So, explain to me, how did you find out about MedConnect in the beginning?
So I asked a friend how he did his application to study in Plovdiv, and he sent me a link, and that link was for MedConnect. So I basically got referred to you guys by a friend, and I then went through with the link that he sent, went through the application, spoke to one of your managers, and proceeded with that.
Okay, wonderful. So, you spoke to the application, the pre-admissions. You got all the details that were required, and why did you choose Plovdiv?
I chose Plovdiv because I know quite a lot of people that have come to Plovdiv, that have been through the system in Plovdiv, and that were also planning to apply to Plovdiv to study there as well. So it seemed like a natural fit for me from the connections that I had and the stuff that I had heard about Plovdiv University. I knew that Plovdiv was a destination to study, and I'd heard about it quite a lot previously as well. So that's why naturally I chose Plovdiv for me. I felt it would suited me best.
Okay, wonderful. So, once you signed up, you were given access to the online portal that MedConnect has. Just talk to me a little bit about what the portal is about and what it contains.
So yeah, that portal was really effective at containing all of the information for the application, such as including the document submission, details about the entrance exam, as well as the resources for the exam itself. That included textbooks where you can go over and cover the content, as well as practice questions, past papers on the exam. And I basically used those questions a lot to prepare myself. There were also quite a lot of there were videos and crash courses that you could attend live, and then they were also uploaded onto the portal later on. And those crash courses varied from things such as preparing for the content of the exam to also details on logistics and the relocation week and a lot of stuff like that. So the portal was really helpful. It had a lot of information on there.
Oh, wonderful. So as we mentioned earlier, you got a perfect score. So you got 100% in your entrance exam. Just give a bit of advice to the viewers that are listening. How did you utilize the resources that were provided? You mentioned that there was textbooks, you mentioned that there was videos, quite a lot of videos, and you also mentioned that we had crash courses. How, having that at your disposal, what did you do differently to be able to achieve that 100%?
So I started off with doing one of the practice exams that were available on the portal. Within that, I noticed there were questions that my knowledge from A-levels that I retained after completing my A-levels. I noticed that there were questions that I could get easily, and I could achieve marks on easily based on that knowledge. So that wasn't a problem. There were some questions that I then felt this is beyond what we covered. So for them, I looked at the content that was also made available by the platform. I read over the information given on those specific areas. And then I went back and attempted the questions. Going over the questions and re-attempting the questions multiple times was what I found key, because the questions are quite repetitive in the exam itself. And once you've covered all of the questions and the content, and then you've then repeated the questions made available by MedConnect again and again, that's what basically ensured me a good mark, a high mark on the exam. Repeating all of those questions that were made available.
Hearing this from you right now, I'm very glad that the resources that were provided to you enable you to get the highest grade. So congratulations,
Thank you.
It's a very good achievement. Starting off as a medic, you've already set a nice bar for yourself. You're getting a good grade in your entrance. So that's like from the beginning, you've set a nice platform for yourself. So well done. Keep up high, and I pray that everything goes nice and smoothly for you. With the resources, would you say that they were sufficient enough for you? Was it quite a lot, or would you say that there was a little bit of a lack, anything like that, or it was just okay, it was good, perfect?
Yeah, I'd say they were definitely sufficient. I mean, all of the questions that I covered, especially for chemistry, the questions on chemistry, all of the questions that I covered and repeated from what MedConnect had provided, all of them came up in the exam, so it was like second nature for me really after doing them multiple times. Biology was very similar as well. Most of the questions that came up on the exam, I had covered those areas in both the textbooks and the questions. So I'd say they were definitely sufficient. They allowed me to cover everything that I needed to do well in the exam, all of the areas, all of the topics and the subjects, yeah.
After you've sat the entrance exam and you've got your result and you've seen that you got 100%, how did that make you feel?
It was a massive sigh of relief for me really, especially because it meant that there wasn't any uncertainty really in whether I'd get in or not. I didn't have to wait until I got an official place at the uni, because I had that certainty then that I was able to proceed with everything, such as accommodation. I mean, I'm seeing people struggling with accommodation because they had to wait until they were given a place, which happens quite a few weeks later than after they get their result for the exam. So I didn't have to worry about things like that, such as the accommodation, sorting out flights. I was able to do that well in advance, and that was all down to getting the full marks, and for that I have MedConnect to thank for the resources that they gave.
Now that you found out that you've got a place at the university, MedConnect and the team told you about the schedule, a bit about what that entailed. So just start from start to where you are now. Currently we're on the second day of your schedule. Explain how it's been so far and what you've done so far.
Yeah, so MedConnect arranged flights which left London Luton Airport, and we went straight to Plovdiv. That flight was full of students as well. It was a good opportunity to communicate and sort of network with other students that you're going to be with for the next 6 years. Then we came straight to the hotel. MedConnect also arranged the stay at the hotel, which it's a very, very nice hotel. It's got very nice facilities as well, so it's a very good hotel that MedConnect selected as well. We then had various meetings regarding apartments, regarding pre-enrolment, and we also had food provided for us by MedConnect as well. Then we stayed over the night, and currently today was dedicated towards finding apartments and sorting that out for the people that don't have apartments yet. And then for the rest of the week, tomorrow there's shopping, and I believe Sims are being sorted out as well tomorrow. And then the day after is the enrolment at the university, which is the main sort of aspect that everyone needs to do. And then the day afterwards, I'm personally flying back. So yeah, that's like a whole week where basically MedConnect has arranged for all of the logistics and all of the talks to help us through the process basically.
Would you say that so far everything's met your expectations?
Yeah, I'd say it's definitely exceeded my expectations. From the start till now, especially I was quite surprised at how efficient and how easy the document uploading process was, because I'd heard from friends who are applying through different agencies or who are even applying without an agency, and for the way they're doing their submitting their documents for the enrollment at the university, it sounds like a really long process. We just had to do a upload onto the portal, and that was basically it. So that was my initial sort of impression of MedConnect. That was the first process that I had to go through really. After that, then the entrance exam, the resources given for that, That also met my expectations and exceeded them as well. And then finally, especially actually this trip that you've organised, that's definitely exceeded my expectations. I didn't expect it to be this hands-on from you guys basically in organising it, and especially the flight and the hotel arrangements, especially, like it's been very good so far, and it's definitely been much more than satisfactory, really.
Wonderful. I'm glad that your experience so far, from the start to where we are right now, is exceeding the expectations. Like you said, it brings a lot of joy to see people like you getting very high scores in your entrance exam. Would you recommend MedConnect to others?
Yeah, I'd definitely recommend MedConnect. I especially like the sort of community-like feeling that MedConnect has, especially from the involvement of current students that are in higher senior years and former students of Plovdiv as well. I feel like that really creates sort of a personal touch to it. It means that you guys have gone through the same things. You guys have a deeper understanding of what's going on. You're not just there for the money at the end of the day, if you get what I mean.
Yeah. Thank you very much for sharing your experience, and good luck for the future. I'm pretty sure you're going to do exceptionally well here at Plovdiv Medical University. So there you go, guys. You've seen Mutee's experience so far, and he's also dived deep into how he prepared for the entrance exam, and I'm pretty sure that you can take a leaf out of his book, and without a doubt you're going to get 100% in your entrance exam as well. Getting that 100% in your entrance exam just gives you such a nice peace of mind, as Mutee just explained. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you soon.